Back to this. Welcome to our ninth episode of the Meet the Master Craftsman. This is the platform where we are introducing you Shari alumnus who have studied with us, short course, long course, but they have gone ahead and done some nice work in their life. Some have done exceptionally well. Some of them are extremely focused. There are very different styles in which our students operate. One of them, of course, is Yusuf. You must have seen from his portrait which he put on his poster. You can understand the way this guy thinks. Yeah, it's a washed out picture of himself. You can barely see him, but that's the way people are. They have a different way of portraying and seeing life. And this is one guy whom I thought we should bring in today. There's a very, very nice picture of mine on the wheelchair, which is black on black kind of thing, which has been appreciated by a lot of people on Instagram and Facebook and wherever I have put it as my DP. And that black and white picture, in fact, has been shot by Yusuf himself. He's the guy who shot it. You will see the whole faculty that he has shot in that particular manner. So a little thing about Yusuf is that yes, he started his photography journey at 2013 by joining the Shadi Academy. He completed his master craftsman course, and after that he joined Suresh Natarajan for 2 years. And his main passion is for fashion and portraiture photography. And of course, he shot for a lot of brands and clients, Netflix, Thermatic Productions, Snicker Bars, Sugar, Cosmetics, and the likes, and lots of other clients. Of course, we can just name all of them here. So I'll forward. Okay. Right. So, don't have it. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go live to him. Hi, Yusuf. Nice to see you after a very long time.
Hello, sir. How are you? Hello.
I'm good. I'm good. Bored sitting at home. Somebody who's a workaholic like me, घर बैठना जरा भारी है. But
Same here, same here.
nothing you can do about this. So this is at least one thing I like to do twice a week, where I can meet some of you guys and have a chat with you. So tell me one thing. Tell me the starting part. Starting part in the sense is that how did you decide that you wanted to become a photographer?
First of all, thank you.
Oh, welcome.
Invited me. Yeah, I'm glad about that. So, I was in 12th grade in 2012. I was not really interested in study. So, that was the part. So, my dad went to business trip, and whenever he goes, he asks his friends, like, what my son should do. He's not interested in study. क्या करेगा आगे क्या होगा उसका? So some some of us have told him that why don't you try something like animation and 3D? But my dad doesn't know more about that field. वो भूल गए उधर. And when he came to home, and he told me that someone told me about photography, videography, actor. वो सब भी तुम बन सकते हो. So actually, it was never a point to become a photographer, and it was never in my mind also. Kabhi, I never thought about that. But I always know that I wanted to do something nice after 12. Whatever I do, I will do something good. So, yeah, so dad told me just randomly that you can do videography, photography, animation, 3D stuff. So suddenly I got a point that yeah, I can go into photography, and I started looking at my, I started looking all the images which I have to from my, all cell phone of my family. I understood that I wasn't that great, but I could understand the composition. It was simple, and I could. It was not like Tera and all that. So that's how I got into it. And I came to Mumbai, and I looked for school who can teach me. I know there's a guy called Arpit Jain. I got his number from some of my friends, and I called him that where are you studying? And he told him, I'm in Shari Academy. Why don't you come and meet Girish sir? So I came, we met Girish sir. That time I was very sure that I want to go into this school and I want to study from this school. So after finishing my 12th, I came to Mumbai and I joined Shadi Academy. And frankly, when I came, I was knowing nothing about photography, like nothing. I didn't have DSLR, I didn't have single, I didn't have anything. I just came with zero. And after Shadi, I don't know how to explain it, but I get so much in just 2, 3 months that slowly, so many things build up, concepts, light, so many more things. And where today I am, it's a big part, in me that I'm from Shadi Academy. I've learned a lot. I don't know how to say it, but it was an amazing journey. That 2 years is like a golden period of. It's like a base. अगर कोई घर बन रहा है और नीचे का पाया ही ठीक नहीं है तो आगे घर तो नहीं बन रहा.
बराबर. Yusuf,
So
your
strong base.
voice is breaking a little bit. Yeah.
One second. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Ask him to talk a little louder.
And speak a little louder.
Okay. Yeah, so that's how my journey started. So that's how I came into photography.
You shared something while we were chatting about how you used to randomly post stuff on Facebook and stuff like that. And interestingly, it kind of gave you an insight on future in the sense that I think something you talked about John Abrahams and something. What was that?
Yes. So in 2012, before coming to Shari Academy, I shared one image of John Abraham and Vidyut Jammwal. Okay. It was an image. They were fighting into an image, and I just randomly shared on Facebook that whose body is better looking. After years, I came to Shari and then I joined Suresh sir's place. While I was working with Suresh sir, one day I just thought, let me delete some of the image from Facebook. So I went to my Facebook and I saw that image. And I noticed that the background of that image was from Suresh sir's studio. So, it was it was like connecting dots. When I uploaded in 2012, I never knew that after 3 years, I will be at that place. I'll be working in that studio. And what is the beautiful part that when the Force 2 came, the poster was made by Suresh sir, and that John Abraham was in front of me. So you never thought like where your life is going. When you connect the dots, you figure out that it's when you are positing about something, things get positive.
It
You need
manifests.
to be optimistic. Yeah.
It manifests. Yeah.
It is very, very important. मुझे ही नहीं पता था सर कि
Voice is gone.
पोस्ट.
Voice is
Hello?
gone. Okay.
हेलो.
Yeah.
So मुझे ही नहीं पता था सर कि मैं 4 साल के बाद वही जगह पे आऊंगा और वो फिल्म का सेकंड पार्ट होगा वो मेरे सामने शूट होगा. I never thought about it. So it was, I don't know, but it personally I'm very close to that moment. Life can take you anywhere. If you just need to be very optimistic and honest about your work and everything.
Subconsciously, you kind of felt you should be there, and you were there basically. It's a very interesting story, actually, very interesting story. When you were at Shari, when you were going through the curriculum and the structured course that was happening, how did you get into the mode that, okay, I think out of the whole lot, I prefer to shoot people, portraits, and fashion. How did you focus onto that?
So when I came to Shari, the most beautiful part about photography, what I felt, is the process before pressing the shutter. And in process, I was, I really like to speak to the people. Even when I was doing the portrait series, मैं सबको personally मिलने गया और सबसे मैं आधा आधा घंटा एक एक घंटा बात कर रहा था. This is the reason I want to shoot with you. So I always love communicating with the person. So, and it's not something that I don't like doing product shoots, but you know I just connect a lot more emotionally when I shoot people. It's so much more. You inspire. You can inspire a lot from them. You learn a lot from them, and it's always new when you shoot. Things never repeat in there. Every person is different. You meet different kind of people. You learn from them. You understand what mistake they have made and everything. So it's always very interesting when I meet someone. It's always something new every day. I don't get bored personally when I shoot people. I can shoot for a full day and don't get bored about that.
Okay.
You have seen me shooting portraits, so you must be knowing how enthusiastic I am about shooting portraits.
So basically, you require that personal touch. You require the people-to-people interaction, and not the dead, the environment which is there, like with an inanimate object like a shoe, because you can't do much talking with a shoe, basically, or any of the products,
Yeah.
something like that. So I suppose because you were a people person, you felt you could go for that kind of stuff. All right. Now, after that, you made a little bit of your portfolio at our school, and you passed out and all that thing. And then you wanted to go and assist, and I think we had suggested, I think Suresh to Triker, difficulty by Triker, and then you went ahead and let's hear that little bit of story, because we have always encouraged our students that after finishing your 2 years with us, you must go and specialize with a practicing photographer. So how did you get into that place? What was the experience at that place? And just tell us the story at Suresh's place.
So when I completed 2 years of course from Shadi, like you have always encourage your student that assist someone. So I was very sure that I will going to assist someone who is into fashion, portrait, more of a people work. So I saw all the photographers work. And personally, I could connect with Suresh. I came to you and I told you that, sir, I want to assist Suresh. So you told me that that's great. तो उसके अंदर लाइन तो बहुत बड़ी लंबी होगी, तुम्हें थोड़ा सब्र करना पड़ेगा. I was like, okay, definitely I can wait. So you told me that you continue your mail, you can mail your portfolio. No, not one mail, you just continue every week, you just make one different images. So I was doing that, and so but I was not getting any reply from Suresh. It was disappointing, but so one day I met one of my friends. He was my roommate. So he told me, why don't you go and meet him personally? It was not in my mind, frankly. When you are, तो ऐसा कुछ है ना सर कि जब तुम दिल से कुछ करते हो ना तो सही बात कहीं से आती है तुम्हारे पास. Somehow you reach that place.
It manifests.
Yeah.
I totally
Yeah.
agree on that part of it.
So that guy told me, and he's not from our industry also, but he just suddenly told me, why don't you go and meet him personally? So without call or anything, I just went to his studio at 9:30 in the morning. So when the assistants were doing setup for the shoot, so that day, sir was shooting a campaign for Dove, and I went at 9:30. Sir came at 11:30 around. So I was waiting. Man, बैठा हुआ था just in the beginning of the shoot. Sir saw me, but हमारा कुछ बात नहीं हुआ because the shoot was happening. So I waited for the whole day till 7:30. The shoot got over because I personally felt I should not disturb him वाले हैं उस shoot. But he was so kind with me that he called me in middle of the shoot and told me, why don't you stand, beside me and see how I'm shooting. I'm a new guy. I haven't even met him before. For the first time, he just called me, and I was so afraid. It was very. I was afraid about that. But so after the shoot done, I met him at 7:30. We sat together. Suresh sir saw my portfolio. He liked, like he liked my portraits, which I've done in Shari Academy. And, so he told me that I don't have a vacancy right now. So why don't you assist some small photographer? Why don't you go and don't waste your time. Just at least assist them for 6 months, then come back. You can join with me. I was like, okay. But he gave me a hint. Right? But if you want to learn Photoshop, then you can come and see if you're interested. But frankly, I didn't even catch that hint. So after meeting Suresh sir, I went to Fauzan sir office. And Fauzan sir told me, बात क्या हुआ तुम्हारा? At least say me. So मैंने फौजान सर को सर पूरा बताया कि I met him and this as a portfolio देखा, and he told me that you can come to the office for Photoshop. So फौजान सर ने पूछा कि he has already given you a hint. तो मुझे ये भी लगा कि सर ये भी मेरे माइंड में नहीं था, बट मुझे करना था और सही जगह पे मैं पहुंच गया फौजान सर के उधर, और उन्होंने मुझे सही सजेशन दे दिया. तो ऑन दैट सेम टाइम आई कॉल सुरेश सर असिस्टेंट. मुझे सुरेश सर ने बोला है रीटचिंग के लिए आना हो तो आ जाओ. सो ही टोल्ड मी ओके देन कम फ्रॉम टुमारो. सो आई केम. तो मैं सर 2 महीने रीटचिंग रूम में बैठा. मैंने एक भी शूट देखा नहीं था. हाँ, स्टूडियो में जो शूट होता था वो देखा था, बट व्हेन इट्स आउटडोर और इन एनी अदर स्टूडियो आई वाज नॉट गोइंग विद. तो मैंने सर व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड, बट लकीली वो मेरा सबसे अच्छा फेज था कि सर वो 2 महीने में मैं रीटचिंग बहुत अच्छा और बहुत डिटेलिंग में सीख गया, जो सबको चांस नहीं मिलता असिस्टेंट से. आई वाज वेरी लकी एंड सर ने मुझे खुद को भी करने दिया था. आई यूज्ड टू do the post processing of Femina and war posters like cover image. और फिर सर ने मुझे इंटर्नशिप का चांस दिया. So it started, but the most sad part about that was my colleagues. They were not encouraging me. They were trying कि जो वो मतलब मैं कम सीखूं और वो ज्यादा सीखे. And it happens in all the field. It's not something it just happened with me. Yeah, that happens with everything.
Competition happening in it.
और वो सर बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा था. Like they were not allowing me to do anything. On the sad part, sir, सुरेश सर को पता नहीं था. When I was very afraid कि मैं बताऊं सुरेश सर को नहीं बताऊं, because day by day it was increasing. मुझे सुरेश सर बोल के जाते थे कि ये करो, लेकिन मैं फिर सुरेश सर अगर स्टूडियो से चले गए तो वो लोग मुझे उधर से भी खिसा देते थे. नहीं हम ही कर लेंगे, तो बैठ जाओ. No, they were not giving me any chance. कुछ भी opportunity आता था, they were pulling me back. कुछ भी हो. It went on for 6 months, and I got so disturbed that suddenly one day I got frustrated, and I told the assistant that I can't be here anymore. I'm leaving. So while leaving, I went to meet Suresh sir, but he was not in the office, so I had to leave. But then I tried to reach him. फिर उस टाइम भी सर असिस्टेंट्स लोग ने कभी चांस नहीं दिया. When I used to call the office, वो लोग कभी बोलते ही नहीं थे सर को कि यूसुफ का कॉल आया था. It went along. फिर suddenly सर का सामने से मुझे कॉल one day. Why you left, Yusuf? Why don't you come to the studio and meet me and tell me what happened with you? He was very kind to me. I went to the studio and I told him everything. Sir, जो भी मेरे साथ हुआ था. And he told me that I promise you it won't happen again. So he told all the other assistants that this should not happen again in this studio. So sir, you know what I felt कि कोई भी चीज सीखना हो ना सर तो पीस होना बहुत जरूरी है. If your mind is disturbed, you're mentally disturbed, you can't really learn. तुम्हारा आधा ध्यान तो उसी में रहता है 50%. तो मेरा एक्चुअल लर्निंग है ना सर 6 months के बाद शुरू हुआ. मैंने चीजों को सीखना उसके बाद शुरू किया क्योंकि उन लोगों ने अपॉर्चुनिटी दिया. But when I left the studio, I was very sure about one thing. कि सर जो मेरे साथ हुआ 6 महीने में, you know, what my colleagues did with me, I won't repeat it. मैं कभी भी फ्रीलांसर भी करूंगा तो मैं वो नहीं करूंगा जो उन लोगों ने मेरे साथ किया. And I won't even allow my helpers to do that with any other.
So you took it in a positive sense, which is good.
Yeah, in a positive way.
And,
Yeah.
and
Because मैंने सर देखा था जितने भी लोग होते हैं वो नेगेटिव ही लेते हैं.
No, but you should be glad that Suresh spotted it and nipped it in the bud, you know, because he's a very different kind of a person. I know him personally. So I'm sure he would not be he would not tolerate this kind of nonsense, which is pretty nice. But that's okay. Those are the experiences you went through, but that has made you what you are today. The fact that you feel today that at least तेरे हाथ से किसी और को इस तरह तकलीफ ना होए, वो तेरे दिमाग में गया. That by itself is a big learning that you've done, you know, because normally it becomes somebody has treated me bad, I'll also treat my other people bad. Is the normal. और negative का negative हुआ था. आपने उसको negative positive कर दिया, which is pretty nice. I think that is a positive sign on your side. So I tell you what we'll do. We'll continue talking, but I think we'll just start showing people your pictures also, because I had a look at some of them and they are as weird as you can get, but that's the way you shoot anyway. So I think who's running the shoot?
Ask him to share.
You'll have to share your screen so that you can show us the pictures, your presentation.
Yes. Can you see, sir?
Yeah. Can we make this larger for the people to see it?
No, they will see.
Oh, they can see, right? Good. Good. So the process before pressing the shutter is what motivates you. So you think before you shoot. That's the bottom line. You're not one of those clickers.
Yeah.
I like that. You want to say something about this part?
Yes.
You finished.
Like I also told you. So the process before pressing the shutter is what motivates me. You know? So I like the process. So तुम उनको मिलते हो, चीजें होती है, then you decide how to shoot and all. एक बार सर फोटो आ गया फिर वो चीज मेरे लिए इतनी इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं होती जितने पहले. I really felt good, you know, when I'm in the process. It's like I don't want to finish that process. वही चले, you know, once I get the image, then it's like, okay, what's next? What's the next process I should get into? Is one thing, and it's like my photographs are about how I visualize my subject and not necessarily what the truth is. So even when I was shooting the portrait, I felt that time कि सर मेरे जो भी images है ना, मैंने जो भी portrait लिया ना, it was never about them. It was more about me. How I see them, you know, how I see that person. तो मैंने सर वो portrait सभी उसी तरीके से लिए जो मैं हूँ, and how I see them. It's a mean thing to do, but yeah, that is what I am, and that's how I like to do it. Okay. That is one thing. Then, yeah, I began my journey in 2013.
No, you can. Yeah. About this, you can skip this.
Talk about it.
Next one. Go to the next one.
Okay, so.
Ting Chai.
So, no, sir used to give an assignment street assignments in the beginning of the course. So used to go to Crawford Market, Dharavi, into Chaiwala, different locations. And I never missed any class. I was consistently shooting, but मेरा कभी भी selection नहीं हुआ. And sir used to select the image. Almost 2 महीना खत्म हो गया. I never got a chance to keep my image on table. I never got a chance, but I was consistently doing with a positive vibe. I was just doing it. कभी तो होगा, कभी तो होगा. And this was the first image which got into top 5. So that's where all started for me. So मेरे लिए क्या होता है, when I get more, when I win, I become more confident. That's how it happens with everyone.
I suppose.
एक छोटी सी victory बहुत जरूरी होती है कुछ भी चीज की शुरुआत करने के लिए. One small spark is very important. This image was the beginning. From this, हर बार कुछ ना कुछ select होता था. In documentary, I was doing really good. So I understood that time कि consistency is the only answer. वो तो तुम्हें करना ही पड़ेगा, मेहनत तो करना ही पड़ेगा. There is no other option. There is no other way. So I have all the lectures. I must have missed I think 4 to 5 lectures. वो भी कुछ reasons की वजह से. I never missed any lectures. And I am very glad about that. I am not personally doing a lot of journalism work, but that helped me a lot in my fashion and portrait work.
True.
Yeah, because while I was learning documentary, I started to noticing every small thing, how people react, how they pose, how they sit, how they speak, and that's what I use in my fashion work. I try to capture moments. That's what I learned from documentary and street photography. That's how it began.
Next.
Okay. So this is some work from Sari Academies.
Sari days, yeah. You are good at all this
I
stuff.
love this.
I still remember your shot, this X-ray foot with your with the shoe.
Really
And you need to talk louder again.
okay.
आवाज बढ़ा के बात.
ठीक है.
And talk about the images. Yeah, you should talk about the images. Why you shot, what you shot, why? What was the point in having this shot of?
So, it's a very beautiful example what I told. So मैंने अभी जो बोला ना,
What cut हो रहा है? Voice cut हो रहा है.
Hello.
Better.
1 second. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay. So like I told you, sir, I have learned a lot from documentary. Okay. So if you see this right side shot, mochi, it's in a polythene, transparent polythene. So मैंने सर वो इसलिए लिया था कि हम लोग मॉल से लेते या कहीं से लेते तो वो एक्चुअली तो पॉलीथीन में ही आता है ना. Then we remove it and we wear it. So मैंने उस तरीके से लिया जो जैसे आया है वैसे ही शूट करना. It's a very small thing which I have noticed personally, and I really like. I can shoot that. That is why I have shot that.
Well, what about the shot on the left-hand side, which is you have an X-ray feet in a shoe?
So I wanted to shoot something like that, a profile of footwear, high heels, and first I tried this image on a person, but it wasn't really interesting. It was kind of boring for me. So I thought a lot that what if I take the picture of X-ray and then I do it in post-processing. So I have took the image of HU of X-ray, and then I have merged it in post-processing.
Okay, this was in your school portfolio, college portfolio.
Yeah, Shari.
Yeah. Next.
So the right side image is one of the image, one of the portrait which I've shot inside. Suresh sir personally love this image, the right one.
Mm-hmm. So this was just for your portfolio. So 2013, so you did it in 2015 most likely.
Yeah. So no, the left one I have done it in 2014. The left one, in orange, orange outfit.
Okay.
And I've done it in first year. The right one, then I've done it in second.
That's right. In fact, if I remember right, this was the second part of the studio, which we had just picked up.
Yeah.
And it was still a lot of mess, and you made us start.
Yes. So many people have done shoot.
I know. Mm.
Okay. So after Suresh's assistance, I learned a lot from Suresh. Work ethics, discipline, everything, hard work, everything, so many things. So I got this shoot. This was the first shoot I got. It wasn't a very big campaign or something. So while I came to Mumbai, I used to stay in hostel. So मेरा जो roommate था sir hostel में, he was doing MBA that time. उसका MBA खत्म हुआ, उसके बाद he started a small company called TSAR Watches. And he called me one day that, I want to shoot this actor in my watch. And he had a good terms with this actor. So I got his call and everything got fixed. So मैं sir Film City में था ये shoot. And we had a very limited time. It was just the one shot I had to take. Just one watch and one shot. That's it. I went to Film City and the actor told me that you have 10 minutes because he's also a director. So he was shooting another film also in the same studio. So he told me that you have just 10 minutes. And I was not even, मैंने सिर्फ कैमरा भी नहीं निकाला था बैग से. 10 मिनट में मुझे सेटअप करके शूट करना. And you won't believe, I finished that shoot in 8 minutes. With everything. Setup, light setup, camera, backdrop. And he was so happy. It was kind of unbelievable for him. So उसने मेरा कैमरा लिया, this actor, और उसने जितने भी क्रिएटिव एक्टर्स और क्रिएटिव लोग थे ना वो पूरे स्टूडियो में, उस सबको पर्सनली जाके दिखाया. Meet this guy. His name is Yusuf, and he has shot this.
Maybe थोड़ा voice crack हो रहा है, or you have a little problem with your internet. Yeah, your mic otherwise, whatever. See, check it out. No. वो इसको प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, प्रॉब्लम वॉइस का है. No, Sagar has also said the same thing. आवाज क्रैक हो रहा है. You got frozen, boss. Sorry, but he's in Bharuch, and though normally the net is really good out there, I don't know what is happening right now. We'll try to get him back. He's got some really good images to share with us. Just wait for him to come back. Okay, he's disconnected, which means he's going to come back and re-log in and come back. Good.
Hello.
Better.
This is much better.
Better.
Why?
Better? You'll have to share your screen again.
Yes. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Much better. That was a good.
Better.
Okay.
Yeah.
तो सर हम कहाँ तक आप लोग को सुनाई दिया था?
You were talking about him sharing.
Sir, just 1 minute.
You were talking about this guy sharing your pictures, I think.
Hello.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, better, 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 much better.
Okay. So yeah, I shot that actor in just
That's what he said. So he shared your that image to the creative people on the set.
1 second, sir.
Voice का कुछ problem है.
1 minute.
Can't hear you. Stuff like this happens. अगर तो बॉम्बे में या फिर तेरे को बुलाता हूँ मैं जय महाराष्ट्र.
Hello.
हाँ. Oh yeah, that better.
Okay.
Yeah. Better.
Okay. Yeah. So, manager. Okay. So I completed his shoot in 8 minutes, and he really liked it. So he went all around the studio and showed all the creative people that, you know, this is the guy, he's a new guy in the market. He's doing really well and everything. It's good, right?
Yeah. Voice is good. Just your net is sometimes flickering, but it's okay. Doesn't matter. We continue. Continue.
Okay.
Mm.
Yeah. So, you know, this wasn't a good, you know, this wasn't a big break. But after that, so he's a director, he's a producer, and he's an actor. So he gave me a lot of work from that. He gave me a sneaker campion, first campion, which I got after shooting him.
Okay.
So it was very sudden for me. And after leaving Suresh Sir Plays and, you know, first big break, shooting a sneaker campion. So
the
it's a beautiful story. Yeah, but it's a beautiful story about that. So sir, मुझे ये कैंपियन के लिए जब कॉल आया था ना, वो 2 दिन पहले आया था. So this campion was on 11th date and I got a call on 9th. और मुझे रात को 10 बजे कॉल आया था 9th को, that you have to do this, can you do it? I was like, okay, but that time I was in Rajasthan and this campion was in Mumbai. So I told, okay, I will do it. And sir, वो उसके next day मोहर्रम का 10th day था.
Okay.
Okay. So I was in Rajasthan. I said, okay, I will do it. But my camera was in Gujarat, Bharuch. So anyhow, I had to go to Bharuch and then go to Mumbai. Yeah. So मेरा बात हुआ उसके next दिन तो मोहर्रम था, तो मैं कुछ कर नहीं सकता था सर. I had to be there. और मैं पूरे दिन रहा. And luckily, I got a ticket from Bharuch to Mumbai. But वो मतलब मुझे सुबह 10 बजे पहुंचना था, वो क्लियर हो गया था कि मैं पहुंच जाऊंगा. But I was not knowing how I will reach to Bharuch from Rajasthan. I came in car, but journey सर लंबा था. कैसे मैं पहुंच पाऊंगा, कैसे ट्रेन पकड़ूंगा और कैसे शूट पे पहुंचूंगा. मैंने हाँ तो बोल दिया था, पहला कैंपियन था, मिस तो कैसे किसी भी तरह नहीं करना था. So after finish, मैंने राजस्थान से कार में मैं भरूच पहुंचा रात के 2 बजे on 11th. और मैं 2 बजे भरूच पहुंचा और 3 बजे I got into train and I reached to Borivali station at 9:30 in the morning on 11th. Okay. तो सर मैंने कपड़े भी
टैक्सी में चेंज किए थे कि मेरे पास घर जाने के लिए भी टाइम नहीं था. मैं फ्रेशन अप पूरा टैक्सी में हुआ and then I directly from Borivali station I went to Film City for this campaign.
I've done that a lot.
So it was personally, it was very beautiful for me. कि पहला shoot था और you know I really wanted to do it. I don't want to miss it. And luckily I reached on time and सब चीज बहुत अच्छे से हो गया. So that's how it started. Then I got this campaign after that. It was for Adda 52.
That's with Vivian Richards. No, Lara, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's Lara, right? Yeah. Wow, not bad.
This was my second campaign in just 3 months of after leaving Sures's place.
That's not bad. These are good campaigns.
Yeah.
They were very visible campaigns. I mean, everybody has seen it all over the place.
You know what? And that is one thing. That एक campaign जब आया था ना, वो print shoot के लिए नहीं था. तो shoot इतना अच्छा हुआ सर. They later decided that it will print it. और फिर मुझे कॉल आया कि हम प्रिंट में डालने के लिए सोच रहे हैं. So उसका एक्स्ट्रा चार्जेस जो होता है, you know how it works. So वो सब उन लोग ने किया. But this happened with me like 4 to 5 times in my this 2 years career. कि मैंने शूट किया था कुछ और चीज के लिए और हुआ कुछ और चीज के लिए.
Yeah, you know, it has happened with us also.
So it was great.
It's a very
This was
crazy
for
feeling when
ICIC.
something like that happens.
Yeah.
This is for what?
ICICI.
I thought as much bank का कुछ लग रहा है.
Yeah. And it's a raw image. I have not retouched.
So that's a question some of these boys would like us to ask you is how much of post-production do you do in your shoots normally?
So when it's advertising, it's more. But when I do my personal shoot or a fashion shoot, I do very minimal.
Sorry?
मैं वही try करता हूँ कि shoot. When I do my personal shoots and fashion shoots, तब hello.
बराबर है. It's okay.
Yeah, so in advertising shoot, I do more post processing work क्योंकि उन लोग का requirement भी सर ऐसा ही होता है कि सब चकाचक चाहिए वैसा that kind of work. But when I do my personal work and fashion work, I do very minimal retouching, little contrast and only color correction, nothing else. I don't even do a lot of spotting and skin retouching. I keep it as it is. I do little bit of color correction, and I only do my post processing for personal and fashion work. For advertising, I give outside.
Very good.
This was for watch. It's on that cube watch. You see.
Lego.
Yeah. It's a very beautiful watch. It was the first campaign for that brand, and they got really happy. So this campaign was for Instagram, and again this same thing happened. I shot in such a way that they used in Instagram and on prints, and at the same time they used for the website. And luckily my clients are really good. They call me and take my permission and then they do it.
Well, that is a norm today. That is a norm today in the sense that this is no longer just like an assignment charge. It is a base usage price which you charge. So that means you're charging for the use of the picture. So where the pictures being used, accordingly they will pay you. So yes, they are supposed to pay you the little extra, if it is shot for something small, but then they go take it on a bigger platform, then they need to pay you for it. That is a norm that is now that has been set into place by us seniors long time ago. And so
Yes.
I'm glad that without you asking, they're doing a samne se, which means that you're working with professional people, which is very good.
Yeah.
Because sometimes you have the small agencies who don't adhere to this kind of thing, and they just play hooky, basically. No, but that's pretty nice. Now, when you're doing this kind of shots, what you told me again and again, in fact, that you normally like to interact with your model or the subject before the shoot, so that you understand the person, and because that's the part which you really love. But when you have a shoot like this, how do you react? Because this shoot, maybe you may not have got a chance to meet the model before the shoot at all.
Yes. Yes. That's true.
And how do you do this? I mean, how do
So, you know what happens is when I'm shooting for any clothing brand, I decide a lot, how the material of the outfit, what is the pattern on it. So according to pattern, I decide the poses. So I just, सर मैं बहुत नहीं बोलता मैं I don't like to say a lot to the models. I feel कि बहुत बोलेंगे तो फिर वो मैं जो बोलूँगा वही करेगी. So I try कि उनको भी पूरा freedom मिले. So I just go and tell them, that this is something which is into my mind, and could we try something around that, into that space? And they try, and I get it. Yeah. So most probably I see the outfits, and then I decide what I could do about lighting and what kind of poses would look nice.
Interesting. That's rather interesting, because most people
Yeah.
try to control the whole scenario so tightly that it becomes like a robotic experience. This is a much
No.
easy way you're letting them do a little bit of their own stuff, because then they are motivated to do a lot of fun there.
Yes, sir. Because when you give the freedom to any subject, you always achieve something than you have thought of, more than something. कुछ ना कुछ surprising element आ ही जाता है, sir. If you give them a chance to do it.
Little chance to play with it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because sir fix होता है ना तो वो boring हो जाता है. It become very boring when everything is the way you want. Something has to be little odd about it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can we see the next slide?
Yeah.
Interesting.
So he's a designer, Umesh Jivnani. I've done this for him. So and he was very open about how you want to shoot. Like shoot it in your way. ऐसा नहीं चाहिए मुझे कि सब कुछ दिखना चाहिए.
That's interesting. That's a very interesting brief that a client has given you, because that literally is encouraging you to experiment, which is very nice. Tell me one thing. One of the reasons that in Shari, when you were there in Shari, and normally Rohinton, sir, myself, and some of the senior photographers who are teaching at Shari, we normally have a habit of not showing you our work in the first 2 years. Only at the end of the whole curriculum is when we open our mutki and say, okay, this is what kind of work we used to do. Right? Me, at least, I used to be in past years, because I used to shoot 25, 30 years ago. After becoming a handicap, I couldn't shoot much. So what happens is, the reason why we used to do this is that we did not want you people to become Girish Mistry Part 2 or Rohinton Irani Part 2. You understand what I'm trying to say? So what I'm
That is very important.
So what I'm trying to say here is that when you worked with Suresh Natarajan for 2 years, you saw him work, you saw his style of work and everything. So it is obviously that style is going to be picked up by you consciously or unconsciously. वो style आने वाला है तेरे के अंदर. So then, did you make an effort to break out of that style and come out with your own style? Can you tell us about this transition?
Yes.
Because I know it's like this. Atul ka jo student hai, uska style, all will have the similar styles of working, till they come to the point where they say, okay, now I'm going to come out with my own style.
Okay. So when I left Suresh sir's place, सर मैंने ये डिसाइड किया था कि उसके मतलब after leaving that place just for 6 months I was trying कि I will do something else than what Suresh sir used to do. I was trying to come out of his shadow. It's not something that I don't like his work, but it has to be something what I like. You know,
It has to be
अभी
useful.
सुरेश जैसा आपने या या जैसे आपने बोला कि सुरेश सर एक ही है, गिरीश मिस्त्री सर एक ही है, मुझे यूसुफ बनूंगा तो ही अच्छा है. I should not try to be someone else.
Yeah.
So that's
When it
how
become part
I started portrait series. Yeah, that's how I started portrait series. और वो पोर्ट्रेट सीरीज में आई हैव ट्राइड कि मैं कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं करूंगा जो मैंने गिरीश सर के सॉरी सुरेश सर के उधर सीखा था. आई विल नॉट रिपीट एनीथिंग. So sir, I have tried something which I
That
have
was
not
a very
learned.
strong statement you made, because most people normally would, for the sake of income, duplicate it. I know a lot of youngsters who have passed out from us, gone and assisted somebody, and you can make out the guy is duplicating the other guy's work, you know.
Yeah, I never wanted to do that. I was very sure about that when I left that place. I don't want to become Suresh Natarajan sir. I want to become Yusuf Lokhandwala. I want to be known by Yusuf Lokhandwala. Maybe it will going to take more 5 years, but yes, that's fine.
I appreciate that. I appreciate that, because that is how it works. It takes time to break out of a style of working. Because I used to remember Pratik
Yeah,
was there, one of the guys who did a webinar with us here on Meet the Master Craftsman. He also used to do a terrific job with certain pitch, and then I suddenly out of the blue I told him, Pratik, अभी ये style बंद कर, कुछ और कर. तू इसके अंदर comfortable हो गया और तू हर बार वही मारता अच्छा लगता है, because everybody says this is a beautiful shot. Now you do something completely different. And he took him a long time to break through, but in the process, what happened? He learned another style of working. So I think it is very important for a decision like this to be made. I'm glad that you made it, because then your work will be much, much, much more different and much more original than imitating somebody else's style of work. I think that makes better sense.
Yes.
Yeah. Can you see more slides?
Many, yeah. Same campaign.
This looks like.
This.
No, this looks like अपना क्या बोलते हैं उसको, ताजमहल के बाहर. Favorite location for all of us.
So this was when I shot this campaign for designer. This campaign changed a lot for me. आगे के सर जो भी मैंने कैंपेन किए थे ना, जो भी कमर्शियल वर्क या पर्सनल वर्क, उसमें 50% सुरेश सर का शैडो था इसके पहले. दिस वाज द फर्स्ट कैंपेन आई डिड जिसमें मैंने I used to thought like this is the canvas, अभी मुझे इस पे पेंट करना है तो उसके पहले मुझे 10 मिनट उसको देखना पड़ेगा. So I used to go to the location and I just I told this actor that just go over there, and I just looked him for 5 to 10 minutes. I was like, what are you doing? And he was so kind that he allowed me to do. He allowed me to do that. And it's like that कि मैंने उसको 10 मिनट देखा, then I started कि what else I can do. अभी तक तो जो कर रहा हूँ अलग क्या कर सकता हूँ इसमें. Then I started doing something else and got this result. I used mirror and different kind of lighting.
Yeah, but I'm observing something about your lighting, especially in your fashion shots. You're preferring to use split. Either it is the side split or the reverse split or the front split, but you're using the splits most of the time. Is that your favorite light or what?
No, it's not like that. But if you ask me frankly, I never decide light before the shoot. I go to, not even in any commercial shoot. Everything I decide, but I never decide the light. That's part I only decide when I reach to the location. I don't like it. I don't know. It's just not what I can do it.
सही है, बराबर
When
है।
I reach to the location, क्योंकि सर हम कुछ सोच के कुछ और जाते हैं ना, तो उसमें ही स्टक हो जाते हैं, फिर वो ही निकालना है हमको, जो सोचा है वो ही चाहिए। बट व्हेन यू कुछ सोचे भी ना जाते हैं ना, तो वो कैनवास बहुत बड़ा है तुम्हारे लिए, तुम कुछ भी कर सकते हो वो जगह में, तुम्हारी फ्रीडम बहुत बढ़ जाती है।
Okay.
हाँ,
Take us further.
तो
Nice. You shot some stuff, okay.
सर ये दोनों शूट में ऐसा हुआ था कि हमने शूट कुछ और इंटेंशन से किया था, एंड ये दोनों पोस्टर बन गए, बोथ द शूट्स।
That's weird.
सो 100 का शूट किया था ना सर, वो हमने कुछ फर्स्ट लुक के लिए किया था, और फिर लॉकडाउन हो गया तो उन लोग के पास चांस नहीं था कि कुछ और यूज करे। सो बट यू नो इट्स नॉट कि उसके पास चांस नहीं था, बात ये था कि सर इमेज में भी इतना क्वालिटी था कि वो लोग यूज कर सके। दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। सो सर मुझे इससे एक चीज सीखने मिल गया था कि सर you do a work for 10,000 or 10 lakhs, your quality should be 100%, you should give your best, it is very
Always.
very important।
Always.
क्योंकि सर मैंने देखा बहुत लोग हैं, राइट, इज बहुत लोग हैं जो अगर कम कॉस्टिंग का काम है तो कम ध्यान देंगे, that should not be there। so whatever the work you do, give your 100% or don't do it, that's what I feel।
No, totally agree on you, because I used to tell this to students in my workshops also, that nobody knows कि आपने इस फोटोग्राफ के लिए 1 रुपया चार्ज किया है, 1 लाख रुपए चार्ज किया। उसको तो सर इतना मालूम है कि ये फोटोग्राफ गिरीश मिस्त्री ने मारा है या यूसुफ लोखंडवाला ने मारा है। तो अगर आपने 1 रुपये के कारण अपने इफ यू नॉट डन अ प्रॉपर जॉब बिकॉज इट वाज नॉट द राइट प्राइस अकॉर्डिंग टू यू, बट दैट द व्यूअर ऑफ द पिक्चर डज नॉट नो कि उसको तेरे लिए आपको उसके लिए 1 रुपये मिला था या 1 लाख मिला। उसको तो सिर्फ इतना पता कि इतना बकवास फोटो मारा क्यों। You understand what I'm saying? So as a marketing also, it does not make sense to lower your standard of photography because of pricing. I agree to that on total, absolute total. Tell me one thing, that Sugar, when you did those still life, previous slide which you have at that time, the shot on the left-hand side, the tube.
Yes.
Why did you feel you should use a hard light? Normally, people would not normally use wide lights, but you got lovely texture happening, but you got some highlights happening, but you got a hard light happening there. Was that a conscious decision, or you just looked at it and thought that the product is not looking great, let's see if we can create something out of it?
So frankly, like I told you before also, sir, when I go to the shoot, I try different light and I see, which works. When I don't understand that what I should do that time, I tried soft light, but it was like
honestly brutal.
Yeah, that's everyone does that, and frankly, everyone do that. So, मैंने सर वही जब मैंने soft light use किया ना, it was looking like a reference from Pinterest. मैंने कहा let's try something else, and I did this. I personally really like the highlight. You see,
I'm
beautiful, and you can see the texture in the shadow. Also like that. So yeah.
Yeah, let's start going up.
Because I am kind of photographer who don't have all the answers of why, but I know this is something nice and this is something good I'm doing.
That is what you call instinct.
Yeah.
You go by instinct. You see, a lot of times, even me, when I shoot and I've already seen the place and I would really decide that I'm going to do something like this, But when I go there, I completely, at that point of my time, my mind kya hai? I will completely go by instinct, And it's a crazy thing that happens.
It's subconscious. With experience, it increased day by day.
Exactly. Your inner self takes over at that point of time.
Yeah.
Which is damn good. Yeah. Okay. Next, if you can.
So, yeah. So This was a personal portrait series which I have done.
I love this series. Absolutely love this
Yeah.
series. Start talking about it, boss. Start talking. This is your personal stuff because this has come from your heart.
Yeah.
So tell me why you took this. Who is this guy, and why did you make him look like this? Whatever. Is there I'm sure there's a story behind each one of these.
Yes. So this portrait series was about the people who have inspired me in any way. Some people inspired by their kindness. Some you learn, and some people, you know, they have some charm into them. You just see and you like that person. Oh wow, you know, or a guy. So that's how I selected around 20-24 people that I want to shoot. जितने को मैं बचपन से अभी तक जानता हूँ, जिन्होंने मुझे इंस्पायर किया है, उनको मुझे शूट करना है. So yeah, so you know, he is my neighbor. So अभी तो उनकी डेथ हो गई. So, yeah, his age is you know, when I shot this portrait, his age was 89 or something.
Wow.
You know what is, and the beautiful part about this person is he used to travel Mumbai once in a week to meet his brother. You know, every week he used to travel, and yeah,
Wow.
and he was so kind that, and he has you know, he has a lot of wisdom. सब चीज का knowledge है उनको, क्या करना है. Whenever I go to his place, he used to tell me कि, you know, उल्टे चलो खाने के बाद. It will going to help you a lot. You know? That kind of person, but I just found he's very interesting. Sir, 89 की age है, वो train से travel कर रहा है. So you know, it's very beautiful for me. He has inspired me a lot. कि age doesn't matter.
Absolutely.
जो तुम्हारे अंदर होना चाहिए, करना है तो करना है. Lot of willpower. Beautiful guy.
The next one.
So the guy on the left side, without the t-shirt, if you see, his one eye is small and one eye is bigger. One ear is small and one ear is bigger. He is, if you see his whole body, it's kind of weird. You know, you don't really get to see in everyone. But he's so confident. Like when you meet him, you can't really figure out that he has any kind of different thing in himself. इतना normal है सर कि उसकी confidence level देख के लगता है कि सर I should learn from them. You know, I should learn from him. So everything is weird about this image, but it's very beautiful.
Agreed. Person on the right, I am presuming is your dad.
No, it's my grandfather.
Grandfather, huh? The eyes are looking same.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I love this portrait of Shapar. Dude.
There's one story I would like to tell about Swapan sir's image on the right side, the bike one. So, you know, I never thought shooting like that. मुझे सर उनका simple straight portrait लेना था जैसा मैंने लिया left side पे. So you know, my classmate Saula, my classmate Darshan Saula.
Darshan, yeah.
So वो मुझे help करने आता है और मैं उनको help करने जाता हूँ. It's like we were born like that for all the shoots. And frankly, he gave me the suggestion that why don't you shoot Swapan sir with his bike. That's how this image created. So I want to say that कि सर असिस्टेंट भी सही होना बहुत जरूरी है जो तुम्हें सही चला दे शूट पे.
Absolutely.
Frankly ऐसे मुझे लगता है कि ये इमेज मेरा है, लिया भी मैंने, but the whole idea I dedicate to Darshan. Yeah. It was not my idea, it was his idea. But बहुत जरूरी है कि तुम्हारे साथ सही लोग आए जिसका कुछ और इंटेंशन ना हो, तुम्हारे साथ असिस्टेंटशिप करने आया, तुम्हें हेल्प करने आया. That is very important. And so
Selflessly helping you. That
उस
is very
हिसाब
nice.
से, हाँ,
But I don't know how
yeah,
many people know that Swapan is 80 plus, 83 if I'm right, and yet he drives a bike. He rides a bike.
yeah,
So अभी भी हम we were discussing that तू कैसा आएगा? You were staying in Powai. अपना school है कुलाबा में, and the trains are shut. He said, I don't care. I'll come on my bike. And I said to Sarah, 80 साल का 83-year-old guy, you're gonna drive all over, I mean, ride all the way from Powai to this. He said, yeah, no problem. So the enthusiasm, the energy that he has,
yeah.
beautiful. And in
He's
this
very
particular
sweet.
shot, he looks
He's
like
one of the sweetest person, yeah, I've seen in my life. He's one of the
True.
sweetest person. He's always calm. तुम सर कुछ भी पूछो उनको और कभी भी पूछो, he'll always explain you. तुम्हें कभी भी ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि उनको कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम है तुम्हें एक्सप्लेन करने से. He's always calm and always ready to teach you.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah.
I'm lucky that I have all these guys as my faculty, you know, the best
And
faculty in the
I am lucky that I joined Sari.
market.
Yeah.
Next, if you get.
Okay. So
Who's-
he's an ex-seller.
Okay.
He's ex. Okay. तो मैं सर रमजान में एक वन नाइट while I was assisting सुरेश सर, मुझे आने में बहुत लेट होता था ऑफिस से. So I was searching for something कि if I get the egg, so maybe I can eat in COE. So I went to his tapri and वो उन्होंने बंद कर दिया था, सब लॉक वॉक लगा लिया था. And I told him कि मिलेगा क्या मुझे एग मिलेगा अभी इतना लेट. तो he gave me everything and फिर से लॉक लगा लिया. बट सर वो लॉक इतना छोटा सा था कि अगर मैं उसको लाट भी मारूंगा ना तो टूट जाएगा. So tiny and वो तो बहुत पुराना, it was rustic lock. So I asked him कि सर मतलब मैंने उनको पूछा कि आप इतना छोटा सा ताला लगाते हो, कोई भी तोड़ के चला जाएगा, सब आपके अंदर अंडे चुरा लेगा, सब सामान आपके चुरा लेगा. He told me कि कोई मेरा सामान चुरा सकता है लेकिन मेरा नसीब नहीं और मेरी मेहनत करने की ताकत नहीं ले सकता. That
Absolutely.
is with me.
Absolutely.
Personally, it was so beautiful for me when he told me. कितनी सिंपल सी बात है और कितनी सडनली उसने बहुत फ्लोलेसली बोल दिया कि ऐसा है. So after that I always wanted to shoot his portrait. And सर ये जो एग रखा है ना हमने वो चिपकाया नहीं है, it's naturally like that. और if you see उनके hair भी सब it's all flowing. So lot of wind was there, but still he was balancing very nicely. No stress on his face,
I can see.
nothing. Beautiful. So enthusiastic, he was ready for portrait. That okay, do it.
But you asked him to do this, or he did it on his own?
No, I told him.
You told him, okay.
I love the dough goal, the way how it's. So that's how. Beautiful. I love minimalism in portraits. Okay.
That's another faculty of ours.
Yeah.
Nrupin Madhwani. It's very funny that Nrupin Madhwani is also another soft-spoken character. On the left-hand side, he looks like one of the Daku Mangal Singh guys.
Yeah. ये इनसे मैं कॉन्सेप्ट सीखा हूँ सर. मतलब शारी से जो एक चीज में हमेशा मुझे अभी तक हेल्प
job to teach you concept.
How to make your concept. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Each
They
and every
helped me a lot.
has got a target to do. So
Yes.
he does this job brilliantly. Yeah.
Great fine art work he has done. Ozan sir.
That's another beautiful shot.
I
ऐसा ही
personally like
पर्सनालिटी है उसका, ऐसा ही पर्सनालिटी है, तो किधर भी
हाँ
कैसे
वही
बैठ जाएगा,
वही सर।
चप्पल निकल के पड़ जाएगा किधर भी, you know.
इसीलिए सर मैंने उसका ऐसे लिया कि सर वो वैसे ही है, मतलब जो दिखता है यू वांट थिंग कि चलो शूज पहनना है, ये दिन है, बस काम करना है, एंड वो इतना इज वेरी फ्री अबाउट एवरीथिंग।
Absolutely.
सेम गाय।
The old man, yeah. But look at his texture, look at the body, beautiful,
या
beautifully done.
आई सॉ हिम वॉकिंग, कि उनका ऐसा बैक थोड़ा ऑलरेडी
Hmm.
एज की वजह से तो हो गया था वैसा। दैट टाइम आई थिंक कि मुझे तो प्रोफाइल तो लेना ही है उनका, बाद में जो भी करो, मैं उनका एक प्रोफाइल शॉट लेना है किसी का। रोहिंटन सर।
Rohinton sir. Hmm. There's another, oh, that's mine. I think today
I
people have
wanted
found out that this my shot of
very,
mine is so famous. Tell me one thing. You asked me about this picture and I did it, but how did you convince Rohinton sir to pose for you like that?
I don't know, maybe.
Just go back one.
So I have a very beautiful story about that. Might be उसकी वजह से सर ने हाँ बोला रहेगा. So while we were in Shari, we were shooting food, like Rohinton sir was showing how to shoot food. और सर पता है हम लोग बाहर से खाना लेके आते हैं और दिखाने के लिए कि कैसे
Bhatti.
हम लोग शूट कर सकते हैं, हाँ भट्टी वाला शॉट. Like so I saw chicken and steak, kebabs and everything was there, and बहुत ही भूख तो लगा ही था. तो मैंने तो me, Nigel और Abhishek, there are 3-4 guys who went inside and ate the steak थोड़ा थोड़ा, and then Rohinton sir came. किसने खाया है? तुम सबको पता होना चाहिए कि हम शूट करने वाले हैं. ये ऐसा कौन है इतना भूखा हो गया कि वो खा लिया, तो एंड सबने बोला यूसुफ ने खाया. So Rohinton sir came to me and I just gave a smile when he came to me, and he didn't say me anything and he just went away. Okay, ठीक है चलो कोई नहीं. So that time Nirav came to me and told me he, that small smile has saved you. That that one innocent face जो तूने दिखाया है उससे सर चले गए वापस. So that maybe something like that.
Just take a slide back one. Let them see what it looks.
Yeah.
He's also one of the toughest in the group, I think.
Yeah.
वो इसके साथ
And I just went and approached them and वो totally ready थे सर. तुम्हारे टाइम से आओ, कब शूट करना है, तुम लाइट देखो कैसा चाहिए तुम्हें, I am ready. मुझे ट्रस्ट में किसी को भी ऐसा फोर्स नहीं करना पड़ा कि चलो सर. Was all very kind to me and it was beautiful.
You got a shot, lovely. In fact, we just took a call today that I think on the website we should be using these pictures of the faculty instead of the silly selfies that we've taken all over the place. We should be doing that. We'll see what happens. Yeah.
You can see, वो जैसे है ना वैसे you can feel it.
Yeah, this is how he stands there.
So, आपका पोर्ट्रेट का सर मुझे साइट मुझे प्रोफाइल लेना था. उसका वजह था कि मुझे व्हीलचेयर का हर एक स्ट्रक्चर दिखाना था, बिकॉज then I can say it's 100% of you. It's a part of you. And and I'm saying it very positively. कि जो भी है सर आज, but you guys are it's a first lover. जो भी है, जो भी साथ में है तुम लोग, you can't live without that, and that wheelchair can't live without you. दोनों की एक दूसरे की जरूरत है, और मैं I am seeing it very positively. So that is the reason I wanted to show all the structure of it.
Okay.
You see, yeah. and you are the one person who has always inspired me कि जो भी होता है ठीक है, but you should move on, you should never give up, you should be the strongest person in the room. I'm really thankful.
Oh, welcome. And I'm thankful for a lovely portrait.
Thank you, thank you. I don't know how to explain, but it's so much more, you know, than
Yeah, I'm glad.
the guy
What happens
on
is
the
that
left.
a lot of people ask me about it, but wheelchair guy is. But you know what? I'm glad. I'm glad that today this September I'll become 60 years old. So I will. I'm officially going to be a senior citizen. You know what I mean? But I think in the last 30 years that I've been sitting on my butt on this wheelchair of mine, I'm happy that I've done so much. You know, God has blessed me with
Yes.
this success, and I'm quite happy with what because now, especially this last 1.5 months, where I'm slowly taking all my master craftsman guy interview. And I'm seeing the success of all my kids, and all those kids are now. All my kids are calling me up and say, "Hey, me next," and I say, "Wow, terrific!" And then when they're showing me the images, I'm wondering, कहाँ से कहाँ पहुँच गए बच्चे लोग, you know. So I'm glad that I was made nimit to do that kind of stuff. Why did you make me throw the noodles up there in the air?
So you know, he's an engineer.
Okay.
Love. So, but he always wanted to become the chef, but he could
Yeah.
never be able to do it. तो मैंने सर उनको बोला कि तेरा जो ऑफिस का कोट है ना उसको पहन ले और उसमें अगर तू नूडल्स का कुछ कर, like something about cooking, any love food, is mad about it.
Foodie.
पर सच्ची में उसके पास नूडल्स होगा ना तो ऐसे उठा के खा नहीं लेगा, वो कुछ भी करेगा. Natural also. He's such a person. That's the reason. And I like the texture and the shape of it.
Very nice. Again, lovely expressions.
Yeah, he's the spot boy.
That's Nirav.
Yeah.
He is another fantastic shooter. This guy.
Beautiful.
Arey, fine
He's
again.
doing great in weddings. He's doing really great in weddings. Some great
I don't know.
collaborations.
He says that I'm enjoying it. Karke. And I was talking to him because the kind of portfolio shot at the Sari was mind blowing. And then I said,
Yes.
all the things wedding में कहाँ घुस गए? बोले नहीं मेरे मने करवानी मजा आया. I said, okay.
Yes, he's really enjoying it.
Enjoying it.
It's not ऐसा नहीं सर वो सिर्फ पैसे के लिए गया ऐसा नहीं है, but he's really liking it. So बहुत मजा आता है सर.
मजा आता है. That's right. That's right.
हाँ. He's doing collaboration with such great people.
Are these specs? Something is wrong with the specs. What is it? Nirav का.
अच्छा.
नीरव का
Okay.
चश्मा कुछ गड़बड़ किया था तूने? You fucked
मैंने
it.
जानबूझ के किया था.
हाँ. What is it?
और सर
वो भी है.
वो समर में किया है. समर में किया है हमने. ठंडे पानी का ग्लास लिया था. चिल. उसके अंदर वो ग्लास डालता था ग्लास को. And used to do. ये समर का शॉट है सर. I don't know why I have done it, but I just felt this.
His personality out. He's also like that. His models are so hair and whatnot. क्या करता था? What? Magnificent shots.
And you know the way he is smiling. That's the person he is.
I used to remember every time I used to come back from Gujarat, he had a whole dicky filled full of chakna from that place. You know, फाफड़ा क्या क्या लेके आता था. पाटिया बांटा खा के पक्का गुजू है food.
पक्का मतलब 100%.
Again, lovely shots, lovely portraits.
Rohin tends to love this portrait on the right side.
On the right, even I like that. Yeah, absolutely. Holy shit. Yeah. Gujarat State Police, the fire brigade.
Fab.
Nice.
Last but not least, parents. I never wanted to show their faces. It's so much more than that. So I don't know how to describe them and how to get them in four boundaries. I just don't know. पॉसिबल ही नहीं है सर मेरे हिसाब से. मैंने सोचा कि इसको वैसे ही रखते हैं.
It's a beautiful thought, though. It's a very beautiful thought. With the infinite love that they have given you.
Yeah, it's like I've captured the soul. मुझे face की जरूरत ही नहीं है उनकी. So much more.
Beautiful shot.
And
Okay.
And sir actors, so अभी मैं जो भी shoot करता हूँ ना, कुछ भी advertising हो या कुछ भी, so if it's an actor or anyone who is personally I'm liking him, तो मैं sir I approach him कि मुझे shoot करना है आपके साथ. And till now no one has said me no. When Madhuri ma'am, I told Madhuri ma'am that I want to shoot a portrait of you. She was already like, okay, we can do it. They took my number and everything. Let's do it. So it's beautiful.
You got to see Greg Gorman's images. Yours is like his style of working.
Okay. I haven't seen.
So check it out.
Great.
This is one of those Kapoors, right?
Yeah, Sanjay Kapoor.
Kapoor का भाई, छोटा है बड़ा.
Very, very kind. Sweet person. It's Makarand
Deshpande. Brilliant actor. Brilliant actor.
What beautiful guy. तो तुम्हें करना ही नहीं, उनको तुम सिर्फ बोल दो कि मुझे ऐसा कुछ थॉट है, and फिर वो बहुत ज्यादा करेगा, आप सोचोगे उससे ज्यादा.
Yes.
Such a beautiful guy.
Yes.
Amazing guy.
He's a brilliant actor, anyway. So.
Yeah, beautiful guy. So this work is, I do a lot of collaborations with artists. Wants to do something nice and wants to try something different. And personally, I do a lot, and it helps me a lot. Because I do all the experiments in my personal shoot and then try to do that in commercial.
बराबर है. You can't.
Because in personal you have lots of time. Yeah. In personal you have time, you have freedom, you can do whatever you want. But commercial, there are some boundaries in which you have to play into that.
Absolutely.
I do a lot of personal work, and it helps me a lot to grow and do a better work day by day.
Which is very important. Most photographers, most students also, जब तक shoot नहीं आता तब तक camera pack करके रखते हैं. They only open it when the shoot comes, and they don't practice because what happens is whatever you practice you can utilize in your commercial shoot, because you cannot practice or experiment at the cost of the client. You cannot do that. So this makes better sense.
So बहुत important है मेरे हिसाब से तो. It helps you a lot. क्योंकि तुम कुछ भी कर सकते हो, because in commercial shoot you don't get a chance to experiment a lot, and you don't able to learn a lot in a photography way. But in personal, you're all, you can go any way and do any kind of shoot.
Absolutely. But since you're collabing with artists, do you collab with clients also normally, or those are
no, definitely
paid assignment?
No. Yeah, definitely.
All right, then I'm okay with that. I think, yeah. Mhm.
I love this shots.
You have experimented a lot. There's a little motion in it
Yeah.
and blur in it and
Yeah.
crazy stuff in it. Yeah. But why did you use those colors on the face and all the thing? Any idea in your head? Any concept in your head? The previous slide.
Again, sir?
The previous slide. Why did you use a lot of colors
Yes.
on the face and stuff
Yeah.
like that?
So the concept was about this. I wanted to shoot a beauty with male model. Okay.
Okay.
And I wanted to do a styling and makeup in such a way that it looks like the, you know, the कि अभी जैसे time change हो रहा है, चीजें change हो रही है. It's like in this image is between something. That's the way I see. When the wind flows, it's kind of between something. So it's for me, it's a beauty shot with man. But I've taken in such in different way. Not like everything should be sharp and like that.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, novel catalog shot, but pretty good. Go ahead.
This shot.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. You do a lot of experimentation, and I like that's what I like. I like that part of it because there's a little, whenever you do experimentation, your learning becomes very high.
Yes. So I have done this shoot while I went to Kishan's wedding in Ahmedabad for 2 days.
I see.
I was like, I wanted to do something in Ahmedabad. Let's collaborate with some of the stylists from there. And in a day, I fixed that. I did it.
Interesting shot.
I love such posing on the right side. I inspire a lot from um animals. I don't know, but I inspired a lot from them. Posing wise.
You don't like the standard stuff anyway, so.
This was the first shoot I have done. No, this was the second shoot I have done after leaving Suresh Shah's place. So you can still see 50% of his shadow in this work.
A left pose is like that, yeah?
Yeah, 50%, but not totally, but yeah. Now, like I told you, sir, I see the outfit and then I decide. I love the lines and so उसकी वजह से मैंने पीछे से भी दो blackboard and I added. It will look nice. I love shooting profiles. Personally.
What is he holding? It's a mirror.
It's a mirror.
Interesting.
So this was the first shoot after leaving Suez's place.
I remember this shot. I think you'd come and shown it to me.
Yeah. I'll show it.
In fact, at that time I told you I love the series actually. Simple but nice.
But even in 2 years, my work has changed a lot. Like, I can see the drastic change.
Yeah. Because see, normally, I mean, the people they've got some at least 6 years, 5 years, 10 years of experience before they keep to meet the masterclass pen. Yours was the shortest period, but we still felt we still felt that the kind of experimentation and stuff that you do, the clear cut, clean shot, you know exactly what you want and you go and get it. And that is something
Yes.
which we felt that our students and people who are watching this should get a little idea about. And that's why we thought we'll share this with, you with them.
Yes.
What do I say? Minimal her and maximum Mumbai. Okay, Bombay.
This, frankly, this title has been given by No Pain, sir.
Okay.
I was there. I was quite close to that title, but something was not working out from my side. So he helped me in this, and he's doing like he's great into this kind of stuff.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. The carefree Mumbai. But at the same
I
time,
wanted to show this.
टेंशन बम्बई में होता है उतना टेंशन पूरा भारत में किधर नहीं होता है.
I wanted to show this series in a documentary way, but not like too much. It's kind of minimal. I'm shooting her, but not like उसको बताना नहीं है कि मैं इतना shoot कर रहा हूँ.
That's the beauty of Crawford Market.
No, that's
Really?
Colaba.
Kulaba and
Yeah.
yeah.
No, not Colaba. It's what's the market? Causeway. Near to Academy.
Yeah. Kulaba Causeway. The next one seems to be in VT. Nice.
It's like a series. कि मैं वो सुबह से till she got back to home.
That's it. I see. But I think we have learned a lot. I mean, I'm sure that people have understood that you cannot just sit. You have to keep on doing something or the other, so that your experimentation is already done before you go for your client shoot, which is interesting. There are a couple of questions that have come for him.
Okay.
Okay, do one thing. Stop sharing your screen so that we can have us big on the screen. Great.
Okay.
Okay, guys, it's time for you to ask your questions. I already have a couple of questions that people would like to ask Yusuf. One is by Pinkesh Rupani. He says, how did you market yourself after assisting Suresh Natarajan, sir? How did you crack so good brands as a freelancer? That's asking. Did you get it?
Yes. So after leaving Suresh's place, I never thought about marketing, frankly. मैंने ऐसा सोचा कि सर पहले काम तो कर लो अच्छा, marketing तो बाद में होगा. So when I started working, तो frankly मैंने सर marketing किया ही नहीं. जैसे काम करते गया, काम आते गया. Like I told you, when I shot for that watch campaign.
Word of mouth for you quickly, yeah?
Yeah.
And your quality of work, yeah?
And then I started working and I started showing my work to some production house, some agencies. That's how it started. But I personally, and I always prefer to show prints, not, I don't like showing my work on laptop. And so I print my stuff and I just...
That's what we teach you, remember? Go with hard copies and you win. Absolutely. Absolutely.
I need to feel the texture of the paper when I see my work.
Absolutely. No, but you know what? That is something which we teach at Shari, and we teach all of our guys that, don't make the mistake of marketing with only social media, because there's millions of people out there who are putting it on the million, and you can be lost in the million. So the best way of working is to have a hard copy stuff, a book or pictures well presented. There, what happens when the field is there in front of it, it is back. It's no longer backlit; it's frontlit. So the feeling is different, basically.
Yeah, like Vikram sir told in the first interview, he used to send the copies of his images to agency.
Vikram
और
Bawa.
फिर सब हाँ विक्रम सर जब मिलने जाते थे तो वो लोग बोलते थे कि ये कहीं देखा हुआ है. तो प्रिंट का ऐसा है कि when you show they remind. अभी मेल का ऐसा है when you mail the images वो लोग के पास सर इतने मेल्स आते हैं कि वो लोग देखते और भूल जाते हैं. But
Exactly.
print always stays with them.
Yeah, so you can have an excuse of a calendar or a poster or something and keep on
Yeah,
sending images.
yes.
It will hit the target one day for tag. Okay, one question has come out which is a little technical anyway. The question he's asking is that do you create the shadows which you like to create in your pictures using Photoshop or is it pure lighting?
Pure lighting.
I thought as much because I thought as much.
I never do that.
You taught your lighting beautiful.
हाँ.
You will not need Photoshop to create lighting in the picture. But guys, any questions? Sagar, aaj chup baitha hai? Where is that guy? The anonymous guy. I'm missing him. To ask a lot of questions. Any questions, guys? Okay, now basically from my side, what do you think? Because you shared the part and how you shoot at the Crawford Market and this and that and all that, which just helped you see things and all that kind of stuff. What would you tell the youngsters? Because there is a lot of the newer generation, the younger generation, are very lazy, or let's put it as they're not so inclined to go and do those shoots because they feel कि इसमें क्या करने का है. We can see it every day. But what do you think you gained when you did those kind of shoots?
So when I joined the course, that one thing was clear in my mind कि ये school है, सब subject सीखना है, master तो तुम्हें बाहर जाके ही करना पड़ेगा. When you go to school, it's compulsory to learn all the subjects. Yeah. और फिर तुम्हें जिसमें मास्टरी करना है वो बाद में निकल के करो. तो it was like अंदर से ही था कि सर सीखना तो सब कुछ ही है. और जैसे मैंने सर बोला, everything is connect. When you learn documentary, you can use that in fashion.
Absolutely.
Everything is connect.
Street shooting, street photography, everything.
Yes.
Absolutely.
So वो एक चीज होती थी कि सर मुझे कुछ भी मिस नहीं करना था, सब कुछ सीख के एक दूसरे में मर्ज करना था. Let's see how fashion goes with documentary. Let's see how still life goes with documentary. You never know what will come out. Let's try something. और सीखना तो सर जरूरी है. मतलब अगर स्कूल में आए हो तो सब सब्जेक्ट सीखना ही है, वरना तो फिर मतलब नहीं है स्कूल जाने का. It's you should learn. Everyone should learn. And I have seen कि बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो नहीं आते हैं, खास करके डॉक्यूमेंट्री के क्लास में नहीं आते हैं. I have seen it. But सबको वैसे ही है कि कमर्शियल सीखना है, But if you ask me frankly, मैंने जो भी सीखा है ना वो नॉन कमर्शियल चीजों से ही सीखा है. कमर्शियल तो तुम्हें आ ही जाता है. Once you started, it's not tough. I personally feel doing advertising work is the easiest work to do.
Exactly.
For me till now. Yeah. So मुझे ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट हमेशा इसमें रहा, जो डॉक्यूमेंट्री हो, स्ट्रीट हो, फाइन आर्ट हो, वो सब.
Okay. So any more questions, guys? No? Okay. Oh, good. So there is a quote. Okay. There is a question. Two of them. Rakshit Chavan. It's not a question. It's a compliment for you that you beautifully portrayed the whole personality of Girish sir in that one picture. Thank you, Rakshit. He likes the picture you took off beyond the wheelchair.
Thank you.
Rajshekhar Akkinapalli said, what would you do now if client has used it for print and you shot for digital and you're not informed of print? Will you fear the repo you already have with the agency or a client? अगर नहीं बताया और उसने वापर लिया तो will you go and fight with the guy or you'll just say okay forget it?
Well, I won't fight. जो चीज तो तीर कमान से छूट गया है, अभी उसको तुम कैसे पकड़ोगे? वो तो नुकसान ही करेगा.
Simple
fight.
logic, absolutely simple logic. I've also
Fine.
noticed one thing that when things happen like that, you've got to understand one thing. The guy who's the kind of people who do that kind of stuff are normally people who are ready for a fight. And they have no problem in going to the lowest level of communication or whatever. So it's not worth it, guys. Just not worth it. You don't ignore it. Go ahead. Next time, see to it that when you make your contract, you see to it that there is written in the contract that this is, it's not an assignment fee. It is a base usage fee. That means the image usage fee. You are allowed to use it for such. Get it in paper, then you have a chance of screwing his happiness. But you must understand one thing. Screwing his happiness, उसका मतलब क्या होता है कि there's an X amount of pressure you can do. Beyond that, what happens is that finally all these guys are networking, so they will make this thing that ये भाई difficult बंदा है ऐसा, because they will never accept their mistakes.
Yes, it happens.
Yeah?
Yeah.
The world is too small and they network at the evening. So at this point of time, I suppose you got to ignore it and sweetly पूछने का, बहुत प्यार से पूछने का, बहुत प्यार से समझा पटा के काम करा लो, जो वो चांस होने का चांस अच्छा है. बाहर लेके जाना उसको, टेक हिम फॉर लंच, डिनर और समथिंग लाइक दैट. भैया यार तू ये इससे क्यों किया यार, प्यार से पटा. बट इफ यू गो एंड से तुम मेरे को परमिशन नहीं दिया, मेरे को पूछ के नहीं किया, बूम, फायरवर्क्स begets fireworks. It's as simple as that. Yeah.
Yes.
So at that particular point of time, I suppose you will have to handle this carefully, or just ignore it. And next time you work for him, make your deal pakka and on paper, signed and sealed. That would make sense. Any other questions, guys? There's two. Yeah. There's two. Okay. All right. So thank you so much here, Yusuf. This was a lovely chat.
so much,
I've
sir,
chatted with you after such a long
reminding
time.
me.
On the contrary,
it was
I think
great.
it was fun because when we were discussing, and I said, why not? Why not have Yusuf? He's done some really good work. And in fact, a lot of people, I can tell you, जिसको ये 2 साल के अंदर इतना अच्छा काम तो कोई बता नहीं सकेगा. Chances are very less, but you've done it in that much time, and I'm glad that you've done it. So congratulations and job well done. I'm very proud of you.
Thank you.
And we for sure looking forward to seeing you once the school starts, and since Mumbai starts, courtesy the Wuhan virus that
Same here.
got so stuck and all that kind of stuff. But we're glad that you came in today. It was fun, and
Thank you, sir.
we got a little idea about how you've built yourself in the last 4-5 years that you left us, left Shari and got, moved ahead in life. So it was great speaking with you here. I'll just share one small slide after this. So just stay there.
Okay.
किधर गए? Okay. Next time we are going to meet on the 10th episode of Meet the Master Craftsman. We will meet with one of our ex-students called Dhruvin Shah. Dhruvin is a very thin, unassuming kind of a person, very quiet, no airs, no hawa mein uding, but at the same time, if you speak with him, he is very gentle. Dhruvin is a fashion photographer, and he shoots in Mumbai, and also he shoots very regularly in France, in Paris for that matter. And this will be a very interesting thing to see. He will be putting up not only his images, but he will be hopefully put up the fashion videos that he makes in Paris. So this is a very, very interesting person to see. We have got students who work all over the world, and we are starting with the first one, Dhruvin, who's coming in. We have another couple of them who are trying to bring them in, but they have the same problem that we are facing right now here. They're at home, they're not near the studios, and not everything is at the place where they stay. So next issue, do join us because Dhruvin is a very interesting person to meet. Lovely work. every time he visits India and he's in Mumbai, he some day comes in and says, "Sir, I'm here. I have one day. I want to talk to the students." He'll come. He'll make a presentation. Wow, the heck out of the kids, out of the students, and he's so open. Those guys will ask him, "ये किसके लिए shoot किए थे? ये इसका number है, ये इसका website है, जाके देख." So इसका मुट्ठी बंद नहीं है. So it'll be a very interesting session to see. Yes, of course, our admissions have started. 14th September 2020 is this thing. We will be starting on this day, either ways. And we shall see you on Saturday. So thanks again, Yusuf. Give my love and regards to your dad and mom.
Thanks for inviting me, sir.
On the contrary, like I said, give my love and regards to your dad and mom. And as usual, your tax for coming to studio, you have to get me Bharuch Singh.
तो सर आउट नहीं है उसमें, वो तो अल्लाह नहीं है.
Thanks.
It's a ritual.
I know.
It's a ritual.
Thanks a lot, brother.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.